Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share your Blink camera with friends and family. So in order to do this, you first need to access the invite panel. So in the Blink desktop or the web application, you need to click on the admin panel that would be in the left hand section. After clicking on it in the Blink identity, you can see we have the users option. So you just have to simply click on users. After that, in the top right hand corner of the screen, you will be able to see the invite users option. So after clicking on it, you just have to fill out this type of form in which you need to provide the that person's email address whom you want to invite. After that, you need to provide their mobile number, their first name, their last name. Then you just have to provide your own personal details. After that, you need to provide these details as well and click on the send invitation option. Now this way the invitation will be sent to the user, and this is how you can easily share your Blink cameras with friends and family. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.